And we're back for another week. This week we are traveling back to Prohibition times. We're making a bee's knees. Let's go. So like I said, we're traveling back to Prohibition times. Now we all know that during Prohibition we weren't allowed to drink or make alcohol unless it was for medicinal use. Some places were allowed to, but in general, you weren't allowed to consume or create it. Well, us Americans, we love our bathtub gin, and we decided that we would bootleg, make it ourselves, do all the fun stuff that you're not supposed to do. To be honest, bathtub gin didn't really taste that good, and in order to actually be able to consume it, people started adding things. Now, we've talked about this before, about adding things to make things taste good. We did it in a gin old-fashioned video that you can see here. In general, we had to add things to make it taste good. That way we could get drunk and not have to worry about the fact that the stuff we're drinking tasted like pure kerosene. The bee's knees turned into a cocktail because that was the best concoction they could come up with to make the gin taste good. So bee's knees has two uses here. One, the bee's knees meant it was the best cocktail they could come up with during Prohibition. That's debatable. The second reason was that it was the best way to mask the taste of that gin. Now let's make the cocktail. So we're doing something special with this bee's knees. Earlier this week, I posted a video of making Lavender Simple Syrup, and so that's what we're going to use in this. So you're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of Lavender Simple Syrup, and we're pouring right now. I mean, we just can't go slow enough. Here we go. Next thing we're going to add is 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, only the best for you guys. And then we're going to add 2 full ounces of gin. It's completely up to you guys what gin you want to use. A highly botanical one would be very nice with the Lavender Simple Syrup, but whatever you guys want. Then we're going to pour it into our ice that's in our big tin. Throw it on there, and then we're going to shake it. And we're shaking it, and we're shaking it. Between 10 and 15 seconds works. Or 20. And pop the top. Now we're going to put this in our Nick and Nora. You can put this in a coupe too. Actually, you can put it in any glass because it's your cocktail. Then we're going to pour. Look at that nice color. The chill gives it that nice white, and the lavender is just pumping right now. Depending on your ice, you could double strain this if you want. For this lemon, we did a little something special. We put a little honey on the end and then dipped it in our lavender flowers. So we're getting a little lemon and a little lavender as we drink our Lavender Bee's Knees. There it is, guys. So what'd you guys think? The use of Lavender Simple Syrup really works well with this cocktail. Normally you would get a lot of lemon and then whatever botanicals from the gin, but the addition of lavender to the simple syrup really makes it pop. It smells like, obviously you're walking through a lavender field, but it's good. And it doesn't taste like soap, so that's a plus. I was a little worried about that, but I think I'll make another one after this, and then we'll see how the night goes. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, so that you get all of our videos whenever they come out, whatever they are. And yeah, have a good weekend, guys. Don't forget it's Friday. It's still summer, even though the days are getting shorter. Cheers.